We get a lot of questions from our agency clients, and these questions are all related to billing. So in this video, I'll show you how to track your usage and your billing on your admin portal as an agency owner, and how does that tracking, the billing tracking and the usage tracking works on your client portal. So inside your agency admin portal, when you add any org from VAPI or workspace from Retell or any workspace from ElevenLabs, for instance, you would have a provider specific pod. Now, when you go into this, your dashboard will show you the usage stats for that specific pod, right? Remember, this is for everything that you're doing inside VoiceAIWrapper. So we will calculate the number of calls, the total number of minutes, the total spend across all your clients and all the campaigns that you're running inside VoiceAIWrapper. If you're running anything outside of VoiceAIWrapper in your VAPI, ElevenLabs or Retell account, and you're using up additional minutes, that is not going to show up here. This is specifically built to track your usage and your billing for everything you're doing inside our platform, which is VoiceAIWrapper. Okay, so now this is your account-wide stats, and then when you go into your client accounts, you would have certain campaigns running inside those client accounts. So you also get campaign specific costs. So if I go into this campaign, for example, it will show you, I don't have any data here, but if you are running it for a client, it will show you the cost analytics for that specific campaign, which is only visible to you as it's clearly written here, right? So this is your base cost, and this is only visible to you on the admin side. This is not visible to your client. And now when you set up your client accounts inside your client config, you are able to decide what you're going to display and what you don't want to display to your clients. That information, which is admin related information, is never shown to your clients. However, you have controls over what kind of campaign information, apart from that usage and billing information, you want to show to the client. All right, so this wraps up the cost and usage visibility on the agency side or the admin side. Next is what kind of visibility do your clients have, right? So inside VoiceAIWrapper, you can connect your payment integration, your payment provider, and then you can create products, right, to rebill your clients. When you're billing these, when you're creating these products are meant to bill your clients based on the number of minutes. Yeah. So since you are creating products based on the number of minutes and you're charging clients based on the number of minutes, the usage and the billing on the client side is shown based on the minutes usage, to so that it's related to the plan that they subscribe for, right? So if I head over to once I have created a product, the next step would be to go into your client account, and inside the client account there's an option to head over to billing, and you can associate a billing plan to a client account. So when your client logs into the client portal, they add their credit card and their subscription starts, they start paying you. On the client side of the portal, what I'm showing you right now is a client portal. They will see the billings tab right here on the dashboard, right? There's also a default billing option or tab on the left hand side on the main navigation, and they also have access to their billing and usage directly on the dashboard, right? Remember, this is going to show up only when there's a plan activated and your client has started paying for it. Without any plan activated, so if you've created a client account and you have not activated or assigned any billing plan to the client, they will not see this at all, right? Because it doesn't even exist. The billing plan doesn't exist because it's not been assigned yet. However, once a plan has been assigned, they've started paying for it, they will be able to track their usage. So if I click on billing summary, this will lead them to their billing portal, and they'll see clearly how many minutes have been consumed, how many minutes have been used, and depending on whether you've given them access to buy additional add-on packs, they can go ahead and buy add-on voice minutes packs, or they can also manage their subscription. So I hope this explains how the voice minute usage and billing history shows up for you as an admin as well as for your client on their client portal.